Want to activate Tesla Autopilot using the steering wheel stalks? First, ensure you're on a compatible road, like a highway with clear lane markings. Then, quickly pull the right side stalk toward you twice. You'll see the car center in the lane and maintain speed based on the vehicle ahead. For Navigate on Autopilot, pull and hold the stalk. Remember, this is as of December 4th, 2025. Always keep your hands on the wheel and stay alert. Tesla Autopilot relies on cameras, radar, ultrasonic sensors, and GPS to understand its surroundings. The right stalk controls autopilot and cruise control. Basic autopilot manages speed and lane control and is included with the vehicle. Navigate on Autopilot adds predictive maneuvers and requires a paid subscription. Autopilot is designed to assist, not replace the driver, so stay attentive. Is your autopilot not activating? First, ensure your Tesla's software is up to date. Reboot if needed via the touchscreen. If you've had recent service, like a windshield replacement, recalibration might be required at a Tesla service center. Check for alerts on the touchscreen indicating hardware faults like faulty stalks or sensors. Environmental factors like low visibility can also prevent activation. If you're having trouble with autopilot, start by checking for error messages on your Tesla's display. These notifications can tell you exactly what needs attention. A basic reset can resolve many issues. Hold the autopilot stalk on your steering wheel for 3 seconds to perform this reset. Make sure all cameras and sensors are clean and free of obstructions. Dirt, mud, or debris on these components can interfere with autopilot functionality. Tesla frequently releases software updates that address autopilot issues. Make sure your vehicle is running the latest software version. If other fixes don't work, visit a Tesla service center for professional calibration. This realigns cameras and sensors to factory specifications. Make sure your FSD or Enhanced Autopilot subscription is active, as it's subscription-based since 2024. Remember that adverse environmental conditions like heavy rain, snow, or poorly marked roads can cause autopilot to disengage for safety reasons. Pay attention to the road. As of mid-2025, Tesla's V13 software update integrates enhanced AI models for improved decision-making in complex driving scenarios. V13 uses end-to-end neural networks for smoother operation and fewer false positives during lane changes. These advancements help with complex scenarios, such as roundabouts and unprotected left turns. Experts have varying opinions on Tesla Autopilot. Some argue it reduces accidents by 30 to 50%, citing data from safety advocates like Dan O'Dowd. Others warn of driver complacency, with Consumer Reports rating it good for highways but poor for city driving due to pedestrian detection gaps. And AAA study found 80% of drivers misunderstand autopilot as fully autonomous. Tesla's 25 safety report shows over 10 billion miles driven with autopilot, with a crash rate 10 times lower than U.S. averages. However, NHTSA data reports 45 incidents since 2018, including 12 fatalities, with 70% involving driver misuse. Globally, 2.5 million vehicles use full self-driving, growing at 15% annually. The future of autopilot points toward higher autonomy, with AI integration and advanced decision-making becoming more sophisticated. Tesla aims for unsupervised full self-driving through V15 and beyond, introducing robotaxis in select cities by 2030. However, expect more stringent regulations, requiring enhanced driver monitoring systems to ensure safety. Hybrid human-AI systems will likely become the standard, blending human oversight with autonomous capabilities. While keeping an eye on these advancements, always prioritize safe driving practices and remain alert behind the wheel.